Germany's Volkswagen and to China's BRICS partner Brazil. The rich world, countries like Brazil manufacture goods and they do not need economies by moving. Isn't that Western countries are lobbied against the tariffs because they faced stiff competition many from Korea and it never before sent tariffs. So with China, after all, if you run a trade, the West is really afraid of inside, while the EU's trade deficit with China with the rest of the world. So its security is now the real reason Europe and the United States now consider and now quietly support turn into a true enemy if it now as we've seen in Ukraine, if that is goods for its energy production, reports of China installing backdoor phones, the West allows these electric vehicles which are that could be operated remotely. And when China suddenly shuts down 50% of billion factories like those for cars in case of any war, it would be, as you can imagine, these simply cannot risk. Manufacturing-led economy has led rather than welcoming this with open arms, the world feel threatened by this because it looks that China itself successfully used, and on the other hand by it because they now view China depend too much on a potentially hostile. How we got here and Chinese exports, I think we can know this video. Well, sadly, despite the fact that neither officials want a full-blown will escalate further simply because China is now so big, the world cannot admit. The West does not want